Ayaw nga magpakalbo ka. Sinabi ko bang dito? Papakalbo yung buhok sa ilong, gano'n no? Papakalbo yung buhok sa ilong.
It's not what I thought about when he first said that. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Forever Here. I hope that you are all doing well. Now that I'm back, let's spend some time with my favourite person. Am I that predictable that this is one of the first things that I would like to watch with you? I'm so looking forward to this. So this is Stell's TikTok Live from April 3rd, and that's it. Link in the description below. Show the account some love. Thank you so much for uploading, for subbing. I'm so grateful. Do you want to watch this with me? Let's go.
If you want to watch. And then,
Hey, it's
pagbalik
tired.
ng... So, April, pagtatag Asia, Dubai, Japan. May, pagtatag finale. June, US and Canada tour. Then, pagdating po,
July.
pagbalik ng Pilipinas, babalik naman po si Coach Stell.
Yay! Oh my god, look at his t-shirt.
Abangan niyo po ang pagbabalik ni Coach Stell.
Is that not
Babalik na po ang The Voice
Determinado
Kids.
t-shirt? What's he eating? Pasta salad?
Busog na ako. Actually, kanina pa ako kumakain. Nag-live lang ako saglit.
In that timeline he just told us about, he didn't tell us when he was going to be releasing his solo song. It's in there somewhere.
Yung protein whey ko pala.
You get that protein in you, boy. He's full, but he doesn't want to waste food. Why does this make me so happy?
Sa mga pupunta po sa Aurora, see you po. See you.
I like this length of hair on him, you know. It looks good.
Details ng Manila concert. Abangan nyo na lang po sa social media. Siyempre, bawal ako di ba? Bawal ako manguna. But yeah. See you po sa mga upcoming concerts.
Please live stream at least one day.
See you in Dubai, see you in Japan. See you in pagtatag finale.
Finally, so many
And
SB19
see you in
things.
US and see you in Canada. Okay lang mapagod, wala tayong hihindian.
What is he eating now? I thought he just said he's full. What is that?
Ano ba to? Ayaw mo magpakain? Nakakagulit.
Huh? It's not nice.
Lalo na shirt po ba yan? Actually, di ko alam. Pero kay Pablo to eh. I mean, merch ni Pablo, yung bago. Binigyan niya ako eh. Determinado tsaka akala.
I want.
Determinado shirt to. Okay.
I love how he didn't know that. 18 have to tell him that.
Ay talaga ba? May wish bus ba kayo si Josh?
Oh,
May wish bus ba?
I've got
Wish
that
bus.
to watch.
Wish bus. May wish bus ba si Josh ngayon? Hala, di ko alam. Hala, nag-live ako. Panoorin nyo na si Josh.
Was it at the same
Lipat
time?
na po kayo doon. End ko na ba to? Di ko alam. May wish bus pala. May wish bus pala siya. Sorry.
It's like the pre-event to him being on the wish bus.
What if magpakalbo ko? Okay ba?
No. Please don't. Not yet, anyway.
Wish bus. So dahil tapos na ako kumain, ininom naman ako ng protein whey.
Does it taste like crap?
Sarap.
Oh, it's good. Why do I feel like stuff like that just tastes
Musta ako?
terrible?
Oo naman. Marami lang ginagawa lately.
Oh yeah, doing what? Do tell.
Puro secret, di ko na sasabihin kasi mamaya pag may sinabi ako may mag-gets kayo. Basta busy lang lately.
When?
Ilang beses ako nag-gym? Well, ngayon na medyo maraming like everyday, I mean, hindi naman everyday, but madalas kaming kailangan sa office. So, nakakapag-gym lang ako when we have free time. But, pag yung call time namin is not too early, sa morning or before lunch ako na gym. Example, this week, parang, last week nakaka-gym ako parang 4 times. Parang ganun.
Cool.
4 times ako nakapag-gym kasi window, yung mga butas sa calendar. For example, bukas 1 PM pa naman yung call.
Oh no, it's lagging.
Busy or maraming schedule or kailangan nasa office. Hindi masyado.
I think
Alam
his
niyo
hair
bakit
is
ako
definitely
lag?
starting to look healthy again.
Kasi malulobat na ako. Wait lang. Malulobat na kasi ako eh. Saan yung charger ko? Wow, makautos to ah. Charge mo!
Why is he so handsome? Has anybody realised
talaga
yet?
yung utos.
Do you have the answer
Charge
to my
mo.
question?
Okay, ito na. Charge ko na. Yeah, siya.
Is that a fake plant? I think I want a fake one. A couple of fake
Yung
ones.
kinikwento ko.
They just don't do so well with lack of
Sabi ko,
sunshine.
ano sinasabi ko? Ayun. Pag may free time, tsaka lang ako nakakapag-gym. Like, last week, parang 4 times ako nakapag-gym. Pero, max na yung 1 hour.
That's all you need.
Maximum na yung 1 hour. Ay, hindi. Nung last time pala na 1 hour 30 minutes ako. Pero ngayon, dahil medyo... Ano ba ngayon? Today wala. Nasa bahay ako. So, parang nakapag-gym ako ng 2 hours. Hi, Pichi.
Hmm.
Nasaan si Naya? Diyan lang, papahinga. Diyan.
Cutie.
Make sure to get some rest pag may time. Yes, yun naman ang priority, rest. So, bakit nga ako nag-live? Wala lang.
To
Ang dami
see
ko
us.
nababasa sa Twitter na nami-miss niyo daw ako eh. Nami-miss niyo
Really?
ba ako? Baka naman
Always.
sinasabi niyo lang yan pag wala ako, pero pag andito ako, may hinahanap kayong iba.
Never.
Baka sinasabi niyo lang yan kasi
Go on.
kailangan niyo lang ako para mapasaya kayo, pero pagka masaya na kayo, hindi niyo na ako kailangan.
Shut up. Why am I grinning like an absolute
Joke lang.
fool? That's Pablo.
Hindi naman noon. So, ang wina-workout ko pala is yung chest ko ulit.
Yeah, we can tell.
Kasi medyo
Can we see?
nawala yung chest. I mean, nandun pa rin naman siya, pero nami-miss ko yung pagka umbok. Umbok? Tama ba yung
This
term?
is so good to hear.
Pero
I would say chunky is the word.
see you po. See you sa Aurora. Inisip ko magpakalbo.
Why? Oh, that's nice.
Wag ako magpakalbo. Bakit? Ba't ayaw niyo ako magpakalbo? Paano pag nagpakalbo ako bigla, may magagawa kayo?
No.
Mababalik mo yung buhok.
We'll just gift you loads of like cover-ups.
Or semical.
Like from the middle. Do it.
Wag kasi.
It'll grow back.
Ayokong magpakalbo ka. Sinabi ko bang dito? Papakalbo yung buhok sa ilong, gano'n no? Papakalbo yung buhok sa ilong.
It's not what I thought about when he first said that. He's naughty.
Ay, nababaliw siya.
Don't you just
happened?
love him but also
Alam mo
hate
ba yung
him?
efekto? No, nababaliw siya. Alam mo, iba yung epekto pag nag-gym ako tapos parang naha-hyper ako. Tapos chocolate pa yung protein whey ko. So feeling ko grabe yung energy. Nag-vitamins din ako kaninang tanghali. So feeling ko grabe yung
extra.
energy.
Feeling extra today.
Hyper ko.
Good.
Bago ba yun? Ba't ako nagre-react sa sarili ko? Weird, no? Huh? Kumain na ba kayo? Mamaya, inuuna-una nyo to, di pa pala kayo kumakain. Mamaya, inutusan kayo ng nanay nyo, tapos inuuna nyo pa to, ha?
I bet that's so true.
Ba't nga ako nag-live? Actually, if you're going to ask me, I don't know the answer. I just clicked live. And then, this
And you were here.
I don't know why. Maybe I just miss you.
Every single time I think I'm over this man, I'm not. I got like a week and a bit of detachment, and I thought I was okay until this very moment.
I'm having a hard time to decide what am I gonna do with my hair
What do you mean? Do
for
nothing.
pagtatag. because it's
No.
branded pagtatag. Need ko bang i-red yung hair ko? Orange? Or do I need to
No.
keep it black?
Yes.
I'm just thinking of it.
Keep it black, but do whatever makes you happy.
Do you like this length ng hair for me?
Especially when you
Do you
style
like
it
this?
choppy.
Actually, tumubo na siya kasi ang pinagupit ko is low taper fade, but umano na siya eh. Medyo tumubo na siya. So, baka sa Aurora ipa-razor ko siya ulit. But still not sure. I will ask the people at the back. Bagay sa'yo haircut mo. Hindi ba ikaw yung bagay sa akin? Andyan ka na naman. Sarap sa akin.
Get out, Stell. Get the hell out of my life. And don't come back. I don't mean that.
Smooth like butter. Andyan ka na naman, pasuryap-suryap sa akin. Oh, ilang kulot yun? There's international fans who's watching the live tonight. Hi
They
everyone.
always do, don't they? Apart
I
from
didn't
me.
know that you guys were here. Good evening. How are you guys? Sorry, because you will not understand this live.
No one
Because
cares.
I'm going to speak in Tagalog.
Good. And I love it. Always stay this way.
Oh, from different places of the world. From other places of the world. Ooh. Konnichiwa. SB19 to tell this.
That was loud.
You know Kapangpangan? Yeah, I know Kapangpangan. Kapang namimiss kita. Ganon. Andyan ka na naman, masaya sa akin. Ubuang na siya.
Yeah. So did we though.
Sabi ni Lord, bagay ka daw sa akin. Talaga?
No comeback.
Still break na kami. Nino. Arigato sa imong tanan. Speak Bisaya. Actually, yung lola ko waray. So, I guess magkaiba yun but medyo similar words. But I'm not really familiar with waray words. But when my lola and my mama... Ano to? Ano yung sinasabi ko? Ayun, pero pag nag-uusap si lola and si mom ng waray, I can understand some of the waray words. Mga kaupay, mga ganun. Like, makauli ka sa balay. Mahadlok. Like that. What else? Makarigos. Tama ba? I also know the song. Di ba sa tuanay palangga mo ako. Waray ba yun? Di ba sa tuan ay palangga mo ako? Ang balha sa lawas kinpapahiran mo.
I love it.
Kasi nga when I was a kid, my lola always play that song in the morning. So that's the only part that I can remember. That part. Diba sa
So
tuan
does
ay
his grandmother live with them?
Diba sa tuan ay palangga mo ako?
I'm trying to figure out that living arrangement.
And then the guy answered,
That's cute.
Santo. Am I right? Ang balha sa lawas kinpapahiran mo kay nadiri ka man. Ano lyrics na? Nakalimutan ko na. I forgot the lyrics. May dimples ka ba? Actually, wala. Ay. may gagawin sana ako eh. Wala na. Oh, meron. Isa lang.
It just hides.
Hindi to wala.
It depends how you
Tapos,
smile.
ayun, may rap version yun. Ining, nakabutangan ka. Lagi ka kasi na. At kung lumayas ka, may dak reserba. Naalala ko yung part na yun. Yung first word, hindi ko masasabi kasi parang bad word siya eh. Letter P siya.
Ah.
Ining, nakabutangan ka. Something like that. Anong pangalan mo, Stel? Sino kasama ko? Wala. It's only me and my 2 cats, Naya and Pichi. Salad and water bottles and empty, what do you call this one? Empty plate and fake plant and what else? The whole house. It's only me and the whole house.
You scared? Maybe there's a ghost.
Anong what if mo, Stel? What if ko? What if maligo na ako ngayon para hindi ako nangangamoy pawis?
That would be an amazing
Mas unahin
idea.
ko to. What if maligo na ako?
Oh, no,
Yun yung
no,
what
no.
if ko.
No, no, no.
Uy, iwat. Ingat kayo sa people na nasa Taiwan. Yeah, I heard the news. Grabe yung earthquake.
That was crazy,
Like,
that
ang dami
was.
mga buildings yung nag-collapse. Sana po okay lang po kayo dyan. Ingat po kayo yung mga kababayan nating Pinoy sa Taiwan. Soon to be P-pop idol daw siya. Sino siya? Nasaan na siya? Nasaan na siya nawala? Well, good luck po. Good luck. You can do it.
Really? Oh, cool.
Mga soon to be P-pop idols, mga aspiring artists. You can do it po. Good luck. Always remember that we're always right here. We will support you all the way.
Cute.
May mga challenges lang but you can do it. Bakit ang pogi mo, Stel? Talaga ba? Actually, I don't
Hell
see
yeah.
myself like that.
What? Not you as well. Average.
No,
Don't you
no,
dare
no.
say that you're average.
Parang, pwede na, mukha naman siyang tao, maayos naman siya. Parang ganun. Pwede na, mukha naman siyang tao, okay na yun, presentable.
What?
At least.
Get lost. The
See
most
you sa
handsome man
Sabado.
I have ever
Sabado
seen.
ba yung ano? Yeah, Sabado. See you po. Looking forward to see you again, guys. And remember to bring your water kasi medyo mainit. Hindi siya medyo kasi mainit sa venue. It's an open field, then you'll wait there like whole day. Imagine the heat and everything. So please bring your water.
So
Ayun
sweet.
yung mga baonan.
Lunch bag.
And don't
This
forget
is so
to bring
cute.
some small snacks like mga biscuits, like that.
I'm so in
And
love with him.
please, wear yung very comfortable outfit nyo. Wag na kayong mag-hoodie, wag na kayong makapal na jacket. Please wear something na you can really move freely. Yung makakahinga kayo ng maayos, yung manipis na tela. Please don't wear hoodies, jackets, leather jackets, or anything na sobrang kapal na pagpapawisan kayo ng sobra. Please. If you can wear just simple shirt and then you can bring what do you call that, umbrellas, please. And don't forget to apply sunscreen, sunblock, not only in your face but sa mga buong body, buong katawan.
I'm so in love with him.
Drink your vitamins every day. Sino paborito niyong SB19 member? Mahirap kasi pag may favorite ka.
Exactly. He gets me. He understands.
So, wala. Ay. Ayun, nandun na naman siya.
What?
Nawala. Get low? What's get low? Ayun ba yung ano? Pag inangat ko yung brake, yung sasakay ka. Pag inangat ko yung brake, hindi kung sasabay ka. Is it that song? Pag in-style ko yung head there, sasabay ka. Pag inangat ko yung brake, ko sasabay ka. Where am I now? I'm in my house. Resting. Galing akong gym and today is chest day and leg day. So super pagod the legs and hindi ako naggamit ng elevator. I used the stairs, yung fire exit. If the sun refuses to shine. What's my sport? I'd say badminton.
Oh, I love
but not
badminton.
professionally and not, what do you call that? Hindi naman ako yung lumalaban ng mga contest. Hobby lang.
Just for fun.
Zodiac sign? Zodiac sign? Zodiac sign ko is Gemini.
Guess. You should have made us guess.
I'm two-faced.
Damn right you are.
Sabi nila yung Gemini daw two-faced. Tapos pag may mga nakikilala ko na red flag daw sa kanila yung Gemini. So,
It's so
hindi
true.
ko naman sila pinipigilan. So, okay lang. Pero pag nakakasama naman nila ako, gusto nila ako. Gusto nila ako
Doesn't that
kasama,
mean that they're
excited sila
two-faced?
pagkakasama ko sa lakad. So, akala ko ba red flag ako? Bakit excited
Yeah,
kayo
exactly.
kasama ako? Hinaanin yung mga Gemini, hindi nyo pa nga na-experience. Tapos pag na-experience yun na kaming Gemini, hanap-hanapin nyo na kami. Kaya nga tayo may kasabihan eh. Don't judge the book by its cover. Don't judge the person by its zodiac sign. Ano mo ano na sinabi ko?
It's true
Bakit ba
though.
may dimples ka? Abay, malay ko rin po. Paano ba to? Gusto mo patanggal ko? Favorite color?
Blue.
My favorite color is blue. But to be exact, royal blue. Parang medyo masakit sa mata ko yung super light na blue, like sky blue, yung mga baby blue. Like, okay sila, nice to have, but mas gusto ko yung darker shade ng blue. Mga royal blue, mga ganun. Midnight blue.
Nice. It's a really nice color.
Kamusta na ikaw and your cats? Okay naman ako, but ang problem ko lang is yung mga gamit ko is puro balahibo na nila.
Uh-huh.
Hindi pa ako nagpapalinis ng house kasi parang feeling ko naman, pag naglilinis naman ako, feeling ko, nalilinis ko lahat. Pero In reality, hindi talaga. Kasi yung balahibo nila, it's all over the place.
You have
So,
to
paano
deep
ko
clean.
malilinis yung buong bahay in a short period of time? So, nililinis ko lang yung mga nakikita kong madudumi, yung mga sulok na naabot ko. But yung mga balahibo na hindi na nakikita ng mga naked eye ko, hindi na. Oh, naked eye. Good luck po sa mga may exam, yung mga quiz, ano pa, sa may mga lakad bukas,
Wait,
sa may
errands.
mga
Big life decisions.
proposal bukas. Good luck po sa inyo.
That was a good one.
Current favorite perfume? I think same pa rin from before. Yung Kirkjan, Francis Maison, Kirkjan na Aqua Media. Yun pa rin. Until na wala pa rin
I need to smell that.
nakaka-break.
I don't know what that smells like.
Unless read my smile.
What?
Hindi nyo ma-read.
No.
You can't read the room.
Nah.
Kilala niyo po SB19. Actually, di ko rin alam. Bakit niyo ako tinatanong? What is your favorite food? Kinakain ko naman lahat. Hindi naman ako choosy. Hindi naman ako picky pagdating sa pagkain. Basta, ang hindi ko lang pinakakinakain na gulay, okra.
Do you? I mean, do you
Yun
not
lang.
even? Why? It's because
Namamansin
you've not
bato.
had it made for you
Yung
nicely,
bato
that's
niya
why.
may H sa dulo. Namamansin bato. Anong next hair color mo?
Stay black. Please.
Kalbo.
Please. That's the alternative.
Mahilig ka ba sa seafood? Yes! I really love seafood.
Me
Hindi
too.
ako tinatamad maghimay ng crab. Hindi ako tinatamad maghimay ng shrimp.
Just keep them
Pati
coming.
gusto ko rin ng hipon. Gusto ko ng, ano yun? Yung, what do you call that one? Tahong. Gusto ko
I
ng
was gonna say
tahong.
mussel. You like
Gusto ko
mussels?
ng,
It's like dunking your
ano
head
yun,
into
yung sinusundot,
seawater.
yung suso. Gusto ko ng suso, yung
Ew.
sinusundot, yung hinihila.
No.
Gusto ko ng clams. Gusto ko ng octopus. Gusto
Yeah.
ko ng squid.
I like most
May natikman nga ako
seafood.
lately yung pulpo. I love pulpo.
What on earth is pulpo?
Basta I love seafood. Gusto ko ng tilapia. Mahilig ako sa bangus. Rellenong bangus. Inihaw na bangus. Boneless bangus. Sasasaw mo sa suka. Yeah, sarap.
That
King
sounds
crab,
so
hindi pa
good.
ako nakaka-try. Maybe someday, I get to try king crab. Pero feeling ko hindi ko kayanin alone. Any allergies? Good question. Actually, before, when I was a kid, super allergic ako sa egg. So, ginawa ng lola ko,
Are we the
Dahil-
same person?
may allergy ako sa egg and wala ako sa lugar para mag-inarte at magkaroon ng allergy sa egg. Ginawa niya,
Made you eat lots of
everyday
them.
baon ko sa school, egg and rice. So, wala akong magagawa kundi kainin yun dahil pag di ko kinain,
It's
magugutom
an
ako.
old wives'
dahil
tale,
sa
but
ginawa
I think
ng
it's
lola ko,
true.
everyday baon ko ay scrambled egg, sunny side up egg, kahit anong klase ng egg na luto, binabaon ko hanggang sa nasanay yung katawan ko. Nawala yung effect na pangangati sa
Pretty
katawan
much
ko.
the same as me. I mean, if I still eat eggs now,
Parang
I don't eat them
remember
much.
that
I feel
was
dizzy,
First year high school.
slightly unwell.
As in, dati pag kumakain ako ng egg, nangangati yung leeg ko, tapos yung ilalim ng ano yun, braso ko, mga ganon. Doon yung unang nangangati. And then, ayun nga, syempre, sa hirap ng buhay, itlog na nga lang yung pinakamurang bilihin na ulam. Aarte pa ba ako na hindi ko siya pwedeng kainin? So sabi ng lola ko, wala kang karapatan mag-inarte. Dapat magustuhan mo to. So, everyday kong binabaon yung itlog. hanggang na nasanay yung katawan ko. Hindi na ako allergic sa itlog.
Except that could also be really dangerous, couldn't it?
Anong klaseng egg paborito mo? Actually, lahat naman. Like, sunny side up,
Me too.
scrambled,
Yep. Fried, omelette.
tawag dito, omelette, or what do you call that one? Yung medyo, hindi siya super buo.
Half-boiled?
Kalimutan ko.
The one you
Basta
dip into?
Any. Eggnog.
Apart from eggnog is
Uy,
disgusting.
egg pie actually. Egg pie is really, really good. Buko pie
I
din.
don't think I've had egg pie in a long time. Coconut pie? I love coconut. What is coconut pie? I want coconut
Tortang
pie.
talong, yeah. Tortang talong. Ayun, poached egg, yeah. Poached egg. Tortang talong,
Poached
yes. I
egg.
love tortang talong. Tapos may banana ketchup. Tapos mainit na rice.
So
Nice.
banana ketchup is sweet,
Super
isn't it?
sarap. Sali ba ako sa The Voice Kids? Go po, kung pasok ka po sa criteria, why not? Mag-audition po kayo. Tapos alam niyo yung pinakamasarap na kainin pagka nagmamadali ka, tapos gutom na gutom ka. Alam niyo yung mainit na kanin.
Yeah.
Lalagay mo yung sa mangkok, lalagay
Uh-huh.
mo sa bowl. Tapos yung mainit na kanin, isi-shape mo siya na parang mountain.
Okay.
Pag ganun siya, pag ganun. Tapos pag na-shape mo na siya na parang mountain, bubuhos mo ngayon yung isang lata ng sardinas.
Oh. So
As
like
in
really
raw.
salty?
Raw, hindi mo na siya lulutuin, hindi mo siya lalagyan ng kalamansi. Raw siya from the can, you just pour it dun sa rice. The best.
I want to try it, but that's going to be dangerous with my cats around.
Yun yung isa sa mga favorite ko ding go-to fast food. Hindi, I mean go-to, paano siya naging go-to? Kanin siya, hindi siya go-to.
Spending too much time with
Then, yun yung
Justin.
isa sa paborito kong kainin pag mabilisan na ganun. Yung na with rice. On the go. Ayun, on the go. So, yun. Sobrang the best. Ewan ko, pag breakfast food talaga, no, sobrang solid. Kahit kainin mo siya ng dinner time.
Yeah, it's really comforting, isn't it?
Walang problem.
I quite like it because I don't
Kahit
eat
kainin mo siya ng
breakfast.
dinner
So
time, sobrang okay na okay.
yeah. So many times I've had like
Like mga
omelette toast
corned
for
beef.
dinner.
Hot dog, ano pa ba? Tocino, tapa, langganisa. Oh my God. Comfort food ko siguro, yun nga, mga breakfast food. Kasi iba talaga yun, no? Kahit yung mga, mga spam silog, mga ganun.
What is spam
So
silog?
Parang any time of the day, I can eat yung mga ganong klase. Ano pong diet nyo? Diba? Nag-usap tayo ng tungkol sa mga silog-silog, tapos tatanungin ako kung anong diet ko. Actually,
His hair is so thick, isn't it?
kumakain ako ngayon, pero dahil nga medyo magiging busy na, so nagsa-start na ulit ako na parang i-limit yung sarili ko sa pagkain ng mga gusto kong kainin. Kasi nga nung mga nakaraang buwan, wala naman masyadong schedule. So parang nire-reward ko yung sarili ko na kumain ng mga gusto ko. Kasi parang last year yung buong buhay namin, puro kami work. Puro tour, puro performances, puro ganap, schedule, shoots and everything. So parang hindi ko nabibigyan ng reward yung sarili ko ng time na yun. So nung wala kaming ginagawa masyado, yun, nag-only reward ako sa sarili ko kasi kain ako ng kain. Then ngayon, dahil nga malapit nang mag-busy ulit, nag-start na ulit ako i-limit yung sarili ko. And pero
Limit
kumakain ako,
it.
not like nung mga unang-unang
Not dieting,
nagtatry ako
yeah.
mag-diet na hindi talaga ako kumakain at all. Pero ngayon, kumakain pa rin ako ng healthy diet na, hindi na die yet. Kasi bad din pala yun. Bad yung hindi kumakain. Kasi mindset ng tao, pag di ka kumain, I mean ako lang pala, ang mindset ko, pag di ka kumain, di ka rin mag-gain ng weight. Kailangan ko ng energy kasi performance,
Exactly,
long
yeah.
day,
You need good
kailangan ko
energy.
So, kailangan ko kumain. Yun yung na-realize ko. Kaya yun, kumakain ako talaga. But, limit lang.
Yeah.
Stel Calvo. Sige, simulan nyo nang i-trend. Stel Calvo. Sige.
Did it trend? I
Pag
hope
ako
so.
nagpakalbo talaga, iyak kayo. Ito yung shirt to.
I like it. It looks good on you.
So, ito yung akala. Tapos meron dun isa, yung determinado. Ay, hindi. Determinado to. Determinado. Tapos yung isa, akala. Kasi may nakalagay doon, shot. Gala gala. Ay. Hot ng aking problema. Hashtag Stel Calvo. Hindi, may chismis ako. Ano yan? Anong chismis mo? Siya mo naman, oh. Siguraduhin mong ano yan, ha? Mainit-init yan. Ilan inches yung ano? Ilan inches yung? Ilang inches yung ano?
Please hurry up and finish that sentence. The question.
Bagay sa'yo brown hair. Actually, na-try ko na siya before, brown hair. Pero meron atang specific shade ng brown na mas babagay sa skin tone ko. Nung oras na, kailangan ko na ata maligo. Kailangan ko na palang maligo, guys. Kailangan ko na maligo kasi may pupuntahan pa ako. Kasi para maayos ang... Kasi kailangan ko tingnan mo yung kuko ko, haba na. Pupunta lang ako dyan sa kabilang kanto para magpumani-pedi. Kasi yung kuko kong haba na Kasi pag ginugupit ko to, kasi pag ginagamitan ko to ng nail cutter, pinapagalitan ako nila. Sabi nila, pag bumabalik ako dyan, sasabihin nila,
Oh, really?
Sir, bakit mo naman to ginupit, sir, ng sagad? Parang ang pangit ng pagkakagupit ni sir, sagad na sagad. Ginagagalit sila. Kaya ang gagawin ko, kaya hindi ko na siya ginugupit lagi.
It's so cool that this is
Ako
just
lang.
like a normal thing that you get up to that guys
Pag
do
kailangan ko na, pumupunta na lang
in the
ako doon.
Philippines. It's not
Kasi para
really
hindi na
that
sila
common
magalit.
here.
Tsaka para mas mabantayan nila yung tubo ng kuko. So yun. Kailangan ko na maligo kasi may appointment ako for the go. So yes. Ay, nakita nyo ba si Naya tulog tulog siya dun sa lagayan ko ng shoes.
Oh.
Diba? Ang ganda-ganda ng kama niya. Ang ganda-ganda ng cat condo? Cat hotel? Cat condo niya. Pero dyan siya natutulog sa sapatusan. Diba?
What are you gonna do?
That
That's
dog.
cats.
Kala mo inapi, Kala mo inapi, Diba?
She's happy.
Pero siya yan. Desisyon niya yan. Desisyon niya dyan siya matulog. Diba?
So squishy.
Anyways. Kailangan ko na maligo. Kailangan ko maligo. Maliligo na ako, guys. Because meron ng appointment ng 9 p.m. So, thank you so much for joining and watching my live. Next time ulit, if I have free time, mag-live ulit ako kahit super biglaan and random usap lang. So, yeah. Thank you again, guys, so much. Magbabay na kayo sa hindi pantay na bangs ko. Thank you, guys. Salamat sa time and see you po sa Aurora sa Saturday sa Pampanga. Bye, guys. Thank you so much. I love you. Kain na kayo. Good night. Love you. Bye-bye. Thank you. See you soon. Love you.
I love him so much. It's just just ridiculous. I mean, this was absolutely great. This is exactly what I needed to watch today. And let me go back so I can at least like pause on his face. His beautiful face. Where do I want to pause? I can't quite decide where I want to pause. Let's pause here. Yeah, just again, chilling with Stell, eating, chit-chatting, making silly jokes, telling us about his day. I love that he really like thinks about us and schedules in time to do these sort of things, because yeah, like he's busy, he's got lots of stuff coming up that he's probably rehearsing for and filming and all sorts in the background, but the fact that he has some spare time for himself, but within that time he thinks about us, and that he says that he went to X and saw that people were missing him and then decided to do this, like that's just Stell all over, always thinking about everybody else. And I just love it. I loved everything about this, and it made me realize how much I miss him, which is such a ridiculous statement to make because I do not know him. But yeah, I'm just so in love, and I smiled like an absolute idiot for 45 minutes. When can I do this next time? I know he's already done another live, I think yesterday. So I will be watching that as well with you, hopefully once it's subbed. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this with me. Do talk to me about Stell's TikTok live, and I can't wait to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching it with me. I hope that you had fun. And until I see you next time, take care. Stay safe. Bye.